Now let's talk about what is learning organization. It is a concept developed by Peter Senge where an organization continuously transforms itself by facilitating the learning of its members and continuously transforming itself to better respond to an ever-changing environment. For example, Google offers opportunities for advanced learning, including courses, workshops, and on-the-job training. The 20% time policy allows employees to spend 20% of their time on projects they are passionate about. Google also promotes a culture of openness and reflection. There are regular feedback sessions and a culture of questioning the status quo that help employees to challenge their assumptions and think differently. Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful, and is well communicated and shared among employees. Google fosters team learning through cross-functional teams, collaborative projects, and knowledge-sharing platforms. And lastly, Google uses data analytics and machine learning to understand complex patterns and interrelationships that allows informed decision making. Thank you and happy learning.